Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to create the Catchy Bumble profile tagline. Creating a Catchy Bumble profile tagline is essential for making a strong first impression. Here are some tips and examples to help you craft an engaging tagline. First is to keep it short and sweet. Aim for a tagline that is concise and easy to read. A good rule of thumb is to keep it under 10 words. Also show your personality. Let your unique traits shine through. Whether you are funny, adventurous, or laid back, make sure your tagline reflects who you are. Also, you can use humor. A witty or playful tagline can attract attention. Just ensure it aligns with your personality. You can also ask a question. Posing a fun or intriguing question can invite others to engage with you. For example, what's your favorite travel destination? Next is highlight interest. Mention hobbies or interests that are important to you, as this can be a great conversation starter. Also make sure to be authentic. Authenticity resonates with people. Avoid cliché and be true to yourself. Some of the tips are revise and test. Don't hesitate to revise your tagline. You can also test it with friends to get feedback. Also, update regularly. As your interest and circumstance changes, consider updating your tagline to keep it fresh. By following these tips and examples, you can create catchy Bumble profile tagline that attracts potential matches and reflects your personality. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.